The families of residents at Orchard Villa Retirement and Long-Term Care Home held a candlelight vigil in Pickering this evening, honoring Elder Abuse Awareness Day and calling for action. Close to 80 residents have died from COVID-19 in that long-term care facility, and over 150 are now marked as resolved cases after an outbreak. It was the first at Orchard Villa Long-Term. The outbreak was first at Orchard Villa Long-Term Care Home on April 3rd and at the retirement home on April 9th. Almost 2 weeks later, Lake Ridge Health stepped in to monitor the response to the outbreak. And just 1 week after that, the military was called in to help.
The whole thing has been hard from the very beginning. And I think the hardest part has been the lack of communication. It's been a real problem. And it's still ongoing as a problem. And there's a lot of concern about what happens when Lake Ridge Health leaves after their 90 days are up. We weren't even told that the military had left until after the fact. So there's a lot of miscommunication. There's a lot, even still. And it's almost like the lessons maybe haven't been learned, and that's concerning.
The Canadian Armed Forces produced a report that detailed a lack of cleanliness at Orchard Villa, citing cockroach infestations and reports of personal support workers and nurses not properly feeding, hydrating, or medicating residents. The event tonight hopes to bring more awareness to elder abuse and for all levels of government to pay more attention to the issues in long-term care homes.